Yo, what's good with y'all, man? We back for another one. I don't really know what I'm gonna do this video, but right now I'm on my way to work, so I don't know, I think I'll just try and find something to talk about. Hope you guys had a good 4th of July. Man, I had a good time, man. It was fun. But now it's Monday, back to work, unfortunately. I did work Saturday though, so it hasn't been that long, but still. It always sucks coming back to work after holidays. I always try to be careful in the morning, because I already know what kind of bad stuff it can bring, for real. I seen a few of the comments on the last video, man, about the R1, and you guys really don't like that. I asked some of my other buddies what they thought too, and they kind of think the same thing. I should just not get it. I mean, right now it's definitely not in the picture, but I mean, there was a really good deal, man, on Marketplace I found for one. It was pretty sure it was 2017. It could have been a 16 though. It was literally like 10 minutes from my house for $12,500, dude. Like, dude, that's not bad, man. But it ended up selling. It had kind of high miles. I think it was like 15,000, which for a bike that new, it's kind of a lot. But I mean, this bike's got 30K and it runs just fine. So to me, miles doesn't really matter that much as long as the person actually takes care of it, man. And you can tell when someone does or doesn't. I mean, if you look at someone's bike and it's just completely filthy and it's got stickers and stuff like that all over it, man, that's a bike that I would avoid. I don't know, because if you're going to sell something and you don't clean it up, you're just losing out on a ton of people to come buy it, man. People are going to see that and think the exact same thing I do. But like when I bought this, dude, this thing was pristine, man. She cleaned it up. And yes, I bought it from a girl. If you guys didn't watch the other video where I talked about it, I bought it from a girl. It was like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours away. It was in Columbus, Ohio. If you guys know where Columbus is at, that's our capital. Yeah, that was a trip and a half, man. But the ride back was kind of sketchy at first because I haven't rode in a couple months before I bought this one. But it was actually once I got used to it, it was really fun, dude. I'd never ridden in a town like that before, where there's like a ton of lanes and stuff. Cause I mean, where I live at, there's just 2 lanes everywhere, so it's really boring, really. But I think it's only boring because I'm the one that does it every single day. So other people probably think it's fun. I don't know how much gas I have, so I think I'm gonna stop and check. I think I filled up on my last ride, but then again, I have no idea, and I don't want to get lost, or I don't want to get stranded, my bad. I've had my gas light come on twice, and both times were on the way back from here to my house. So I was relatively close, so I could have made it. So I got kind of lucky. If I do end up finding a spot where I'm not that close to a gas station, I'm kind of screwed. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'm pretty sure I got 20 miles when it hits the light. But that's just what I've seen on forums. Oh, what are you doing, kitty? You about to run out in the middle of the road? Oh, there's a cop here. I'll park right next to him. Yeah, I'll get some. I think I'm out like half a tank. Half a tank kind of lasts a long time on a bike, though. Bro, is that another cop? Ain't no way. Man, there's cops everywhere. Already? It's only been like 10-15 minutes, bro. Holy crap, dude. It was really weird, man, because when I was out for 4th of July stuff, I didn't see like any cops on the road at all, which was really weird. I expected to see a whole bunch. Whoa! Oh my god, bro! What? That did not just happen, dude. Are you serious? That was so close, dude. What a terrible time for him to start running, bro. Are you for real? Why would he do that? Come on, bro. You see it coming? Stupid deal, bro. Oh my lord. Never in my life have I had that happen to me. Man, thank the Lord I was paying attention, dude. Thank God. If I did, bro, I grabbed the front brake and rear brake so hard. I felt the rear end lock up. I had to be within 3 to 5 foot of that sucker, bro. I'm telling you. I don't even know how fast I slowed down. I got the video, I guess, man. But I want to see how fast I slowed down. Because that was probably the hardest I've ever tried to brake before. And it was scary. Not like I was going to flip over the handlebar scary, but like, my God, bro. I don't have ABS, so if I just yank it, it's going to throw me over. And that's another danger with riding a bike. Look, if that deer hit me, bro, yeah, I'm wearing all my gear, but like, bro, I was gonna do some damage, bro. I'm really tackling something that's like 400 pounds, dude. Going 40. Imagine tackling somebody going 40 miles an hour. I am so shook up from that. Y'all have no idea. I like don't even want to go the speed limit right now. Looks like I'm gonna have to. I've had that happen to me in a car one time, but like not that close, dude. That was insane. I'm glad nobody was behind me, bro. They would have got brake checked hard. They definitely would have hit me if they weren't paying attention. That is. I've almost got hit like 3 or 4 times. And now that I got the video, I got evidence to prove that I'm not in the wrong for real. I ain't speeding. I'm taking good lines. They can't see me sometimes, bro. And it is what it is. You just gotta be ready. It might not be my fault, but it's my job to not get in a wreck. I'm going slow all the way there, dude. But honestly, I don't even want to ride anymore. Like today. That made me just want to turn around and get in my car. Well, back to a different topic, I guess. I did work Saturday, so that means I missed the car meet Saturday, which really sucks, bro. I really wanted to go, but it happens, bro, you know. I gotta work, I can't just call off. I need the money. Man, I would love to do YouTube full time. That way I could actually put some more time into it, be posting every day, you know what I mean? But, I mean, right now it's just not an option. Here within the next like 6 months, something's gonna be happening, and I might be able to do it, but we'll see. I mean, yeah, like January or February maybe, something like that. But those are kind of bad riding months, so maybe that's not a good time to do it. I live in Ohio, so you get bad weather in the winter, usually. I mean, honestly, last winter, I was riding a good bit, like, and if I did get good days in the winter and I was doing YouTube like this, I could record multiple videos in one day and then just like schedule them out, you know what I mean? But like if I was full time, dude, I could ride like all day and have a whole day's worth of videos to post. It just sucks, man, because I get home after working out at like 6:30, 7 o'clock, and I gotta wake up at 6. So, I mean, I go to bed at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. That gives me like 2.5 to 3 hours. Some of that I'm eating, some of that I'm showering. It's not just, you know, free time. So I barely have like any time to edit or anything, which is why I like doing these easy riding videos, you know? Because I don't really gotta edit much. You kind of just like chop it up and just post it. It's really not that hard. But like on the weekends, you'll see I go to like different places. I get like B-roll and all that stuff. That's pretty fun. I do enjoy doing that. I really enjoy getting cool footage. I don't know why. It's satisfying to look at what I've done. Also, something weird about my YouTube videos, bro. Whenever I upload them, I'm like always eating for some reason, and I end up just watching my own video while I'm eating. It's really weird. I never really catch it. It just kind of happens. But it almost just feels like brain rot, because I feel like I can just watch it and not really understand what's going on, and it's just kind of like a vibe. I don't know. I really wish I had some more people to ride with more often, at least. I had that one video where I rode with my dude Zach. But it's hard to like schedule stuff, bro, because I'm working so much, man. I'm telling you, if I could do YouTube full time and I could adhere to other people's schedule, it'd be way better. Then I could actually get content with other people. Oh, of course, there's a cop right there. He probably wasn't using the radar. Oh yeah, that's another cop, by the way. Add that one to the freaking list, bro. That's three so far. Dude, it's been like 20 minutes. This is crazy. They're literally everywhere, man. You gotta be careful. If you don't know the roads that you're riding on, and like where cops like to sit, then I wouldn't do nothing crazy. It's just gonna bite you. But like on this road, I know where they all sit, but granted they've all been driving, so it's kind of hard to tell what to do when they're all driving around, bro, because you can't gauge where they're gonna be. Oh my god, this road is terrible. They always sit right here, bro. This is one spot you gotta be careful of, for real. Because you'll come flying over that hill over there where you see all those cars, and dude, they're just waiting to come out, dude. Especially at like 5 o'clock, because they know everyone's racing home at rush hour. Not me though, because I know where they sit. Sometimes they'll sit on the other side up here too, but it's not as common. Normally I record one part in the morning, one part in the afternoon, but honestly I feel like this part right here is going to be long enough for a whole video, so this might be the only ride, really. I normally don't actually talk on the highway, because it's like, there's a lot of wind and stuff, but I feel like with this new setup I got, it's way better, so you can actually understand me. If this video is long enough, peace out to y'all, man. I hope you guys come back for the next one, and have a good rest of your day.